KeemiElite represent for the elite team, straight from out of Kingston, Jamaica. You don't know whether in Europe, in Switzerland, you know. Promote the culture, teach the people them the right and proper thing, you know. Straight from out of Kingston, you know you go already, you know. Bring the real authentic dancer straight to your feet, you know you go. You know, say, from a little bit still, from a small, I've been dancing, you know, but it really took off in the year 2010, you know, when I began, you know, really go out in the streets and feel it. But it wasn't work, we never teach, we just, you know, dance, have fun, create moves, you know, because it's a lifestyle. So, well, me I dance basically from a young, little baby, little bit. Inspiration still, Mr. Bogle, and also the people, the love what them show me, them inspire me to even go more. Because as when we say, we just do it like for fun. So when people attack to the culture like that and my way of my dancing, it motivates me, it inspires me to do more. So the people, them and the fans, them same way. Big up to the fans all over the world. I've been to Russia, Barcelona, Sweden, yeah, Finland, you don't know, Slovakia, Bratislava, you know, whole heap other place, Italy, Germany, right now there's Switzerland, yeah, you know, Austria, Vienna, whole heap of other different places, you know, but mostly Europe, all over Europe. Advise you all to do, okay, learn the real thing, okay? Try to learn the real thing before you can really, alright, you have to learn from the basic and come up. So you try to learn the culture first and get it right before you can do anything you want to do, because everybody free to do whatever genre dancing they want to do, but dancehall is special, so you have to learn it from the art first before you can really say yeah. Okay, so you have to learn it properly and take a trip to Jamaica, which is most important. Yeah, man, take a trip to Jamaica. It might take years, but money and that, nobody have money easy. But what you have to do is, if even 1 week, you have to visit Jamaica just to see for yourself. Then your mind will change. Social media, Facebook, KeemiElite. Instagram, KeemiElite, same thing. Twitter, KeemiElite, YouTube, KeemiElite. So it's KEEMIELITE, KeemiElite, that's it. So you can find me on every site, KeemiElite, @Keemi.